again with another video, and today we are here at the University of Makati and we're doing a segment called AI Talk. We'll be going around the campus and asking students for their insights about artificial intelligence. I've got 5 questions prepared here and we need 5 students to participate in our segment. So, let's go see who can find. Hi, please state your name, year, and program.
Hello po, my name is Althea Alano. I am in 2nd year, currently taking financial management.
Hi, I am Kyla San Victorious, currently in 2nd year, taking BS in Financial Management.
My name is Pemer Bilumibao, 2nd year student. I'm currently taking BSBI in financial management.
Hi, good day. My name is Jana Sedan, 2nd year and studying financial management.
So hello, my name is Jasmine Joy P. Balancho. I'm a 2nd year student taking a financial management program.
Are you ready for today's segment?
Yes po.
Ready now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes!
Your first question is, from your perspective, what is artificial intelligence?
For me po, artificial intelligence is like a revolutionizing tool kasi from dictionary to Google, then ngayon AI, we can gain a faster or easier access to informations kahit yung mga personalized questions na hindi nasasagot ng maayos ng Google, nasasagot siya ng AI. So, ayun po.
So for me, artificial intelligence is like a digital student like me. So ang pinakaiba lang, man-made ang AI. And it helps me with my daily life, with my everyday tasks. It helps me analyze things and data, especially sa ACADS ko. And it helps me recognize patterns and solve problems easier, better, and smarter.
Para sa akin, artificial intelligence is a smart tool na nakakatulong sa atin everyday, lalo na sa ating digital life.
For me, I think AI is something that you can rely on whenever you need to do things in an easier or faster pace. Like yung mga schoolworks mo, ganun.
From my perspective, artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that will help us solve our problems, learn faster, and improve our daily life. Not only that, but also in our school activities.
Second question, when did you first become aware about the field of artificial intelligence?
I think nung senior high school ako, it introduced by my friends, classmates ko, since I always rant about mga assignments sa kanya. Then sinabi niya na why don't you try i-chat GPT para maayos yung grammar or i-paraphrase yung gawa ko. Then I think naging maganda naman yung naging response ng AI. So, after nun, parang ginamit ko na siya from time to time.
So, I discovered AI during my first year in college. There's this time kasi na sobrang hirap ako sa isang task and parang wala nang idea na pumapasok sa utak ko. So, there's this friend of mine, she recommended me using AI. She said na mababago daw neto yung buhay ko and yung student life ko. So, yun nga, tama nga siya. Nagagamit ko siya until now. Coming 3rd year na ako and mara-recommend ko siya and natulungan naman talaga ako ng AI, lalo na sa mga researches ko sa akin.
I first heard about artificial intelligence when I saw videos online na nagpo-promote gamitin ito.
I first encountered it nung senior high school ako whenever we did literature-related stuffs or yung mga research outputs namin. We utilize it kapag nagpa-paraphrase kami, ganun.
I first became aware of artificial intelligence during my senior high school through social media, online video, and especially online classroom through discussion about technology.
Third question, could you please provide one application that you frequently use and specify where you utilize it?
Actually, I frequently use ChatGPT along with other AI tools like Bard, CC, and Perplexity. Ayun yung mga AI na usually lagi kong ginagamit Kasi pinagtatali ko yung mga answers niya para maging mas accurate and maganda yung informations o yung magagawa ko. Parang ipagtatali ko muna yung informations na binigay nila, then pipiliin ko doon kung ano yung mas better o yung maganda. Tapos ayun yung kukunin ko.
So, I frequently use ChatGPT along with Gemini, pero mas ginagamit ko yung ChatGPT. As I've said earlier, ginagamit ko yung AI especially sa ACAD, sa mga researches, sa mga tasks. Lalo na pag hirap na hirap ako, pigain yung creative juices ko. AI yung tinatakbuhan ko. So with my everyday life, lalo na rin sa work, if ever kailangan ko ng help ng AI with other things in my life, napaprovide na naman with mental health issues, personal problems, math problems, anything na provide ng AI. So, generally, nagagamit ko siya sa lahat ng aspect ng life.
I mostly use ChatGPT when I need help sa schoolwork, sa writing, or kahit na sa mga editing. Recently, I mostly utilize ChatGPT and I mostly use it kapag nag-generate ako ng mga ideas na pwede kong incorporate sa mga outputs ko or kapag nagpa-paraphrase ako or nag-organize ng mga drafts ng outputs ko.
I often use ChatGPT to get ideas and explanation. Then I will use a paraphrasing tool so that my writing skills will improve. And lastly, I will use an AI detector to make sure that my ideas or work are original before submitting.
Fourth question, as a student, do you think it is significant advantage in your studies or academic endeavors?
For me, yes. Kasi as a student, sobrang sa time consuming yung paggagawa ng mga assignments, lalo na yung pagre-research. Mas napapabilis ng AI yung gawain natin as a student para makagain ng informations online. Kahit na, for example, mag-chat ka, magta-type ka doon sa AI na provide references, ganun, parang naibibigay niya. So, as a student, I think it is helpful talaga. Lalo na sobrang dami nating subject.
For me, yes, advantage siya since these days, ACADS is so demanding and nahirapan na ako mag-generate ng ideas on my own. But I always make sure naman na may touch pa rin ng sarili kong thought and idea yung mga pinaka-generate ko kay AI. So it will be originally mine. Kasi hindi rin magandang nakaasa sa AI kasi baka like ma-zero yung utak. So I make sure naman na juices ko pa rin yung nasa gawa ko.
Yes, I think sobrang laking tulong niya sa school, lalo na kasi nagbibigay siya ng mga information. It explains stuff better and it saves time. Yes, definitely. I think it has a benefit kasi it can provide aid whenever you need it. And also, lalo na kapag you're in a rush or you need it in a certain period of time. And yun nga, pwede kanyang mag-guide instantly.
For me, yes, it has a big advantage for us students. Not only it saves time, but also it will help us understand difficult lesson, and it will also improve our knowledge in terms of learning.
For your last question, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, how helpful is it to you, not just in academics, but also in daily life?
I think I would rate it 11 kasi hindi lang siya for academic na sasagot niya rin yung mga personal na questions na you're shy to ask others, ganon. I think it also gave advice then.
So, if ever I rate AI, I rate it siguro 8 kasi yes, it is helpful for me, especially as a student and an individual. Like, kunwari, nagtatanong ako ng recipes about cooking, ganyan sa isang recipe, and sa ACADS ka sa mga researches. Pero 8 kasi may mga lapses siya, like, makikita mo hindi siya accurate. Kaya I do my own research para sa mga credible sites sa internet.
I say it's 9 out of 10. Kahit na nakakatulong siya sa atin everyday. Pero minsan kasi, hindi malinaw or wasto yung mga nakakalap nating information dito. For me, I think I'd rate it an 8 kasi although it provides yung mga sinabi ko kanina, it still has lapses na need ng improvement. Ayun.
I guess I will rate it 10 out of 10 because it not only helped us in our academics but also for my personal experience. It helps me to make my schedules are already planned, and also it will help me to gain more knowledge not only through that field in academic but also in my personal life.
Ayan, thank you so much, Miss Althea, for participating in our segment. Ayan, thank you, Miss Kyla, for participating in our segment. Ayan, thank you so much, Miss February, for participating. Thank you so much, Miss Jana, for participating in our segment.
Thank you!
Thank you, Miss Jasmine, for participating in our segment. Thank you so much for our students who participated in our AI Talk segment. I hope our viewers have gained knowledge from our students' insights and experiences. With all being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!